This one.
Who a perplexed grandpa piece now. Listen, if you're a Christian, if you're a family member, skip this video because this old man is dark. He has no good words in his mouth. A straight bad word. Let's jump into it. They wanna short and sweet.
Of course, when me have blood talk, me say me no want none of them to bumbo clock come in here, man, and me attack.
But none of them not coming here.
They have spot in there.
In a yard, in a house.
When me no want them to come in the yard now, nothing. And that me I tell you, if you don't understand, you can't stay there.
Remember when you look at youth and your friend them come across, if you have strict family member, you know say them have to stay in a road or on the other side of the fence while you and them talk. Yeah man, I like this. Come in a yard, worse come in a house? Moving forward.
Come like here, hey, tell me something. Me blood clot rampant man, you know.
No, see some people on this.
Don't take me
Yes,
inside
yes, bro. Yes, yes, bro. Yes, yes, bro.
Cold man, and that you can't take.
Watch out, see how easy people wait till man do.
Yeah, I'm going to say, you know, don't go in there, you know, because your parents.
Somebody I get there for before. Why they not leave granddaddy alone, make granddaddy doing work? Grandpa no want no man close to him, no grounds in after this on a line, electricity line. Move up. Man darky man. A peanut jet brother.
Oh, I'm going to see his points and why you're taking things. No, so I'm just points and that's what you're doing. That's why you're taking.
I'm not taking nothing, man. Just ease yourself, no, man. You don't go to second, man.
Are you come to?
What me not doing, man?
I just half inch right there, so. Don't know, Muga just.
I say no touch me, man.
I just half inch right
You see
there.
a machine me run. Are you sure is that?
Yeah.
Me not taking it, man. Me not do no work from you.
Tomorrow I'm come feed also. Half inch. Yeah.
A big man live it though. The man use the sewing machine and you really a grounds the man touch him man. Brother easy yourself man. The man say nah taking the 2-inch pants. Go and go wear your 2-inch pants as it is man. And leave granddaddy alone. Man don't want your money. He man even send it to in competition. That for sure say man just don't like you. Boy grandpa na easy you know, man. Muga. Oh my gosh. I must say Munga honorable. Father.
What you know? Me don't want no blood clot for prayer, man.
So
you're based on my grandfather?
Wednesday. So who are that should socks them?
Socks in your shoes. I'll put up to one side.
Uncle Muga.
Who the two blood clot lie every pussy clot thing in here. Me say who do this? Carcass. Yeah, put it in your blood clot do me a man.
Yo, you have that one cousin where because he's so bad and rude, everything we mash up, everything we out of place, I him do it. I him do it. I him do it. And guess what? Everybody always believes I him do it. Once you say, Jason do it, Jason I get licked because Jason known as a rude child. Boy, grandpa na easy no man.
You put bread in there? You put bumbo clot bread in there? Eh? You put bread in there, me ask you.
Yeah, I want.
Me say you put bread in there? Eh? Where bread is?
See bread.
Move your blood clot, man. Where bread is?
See bread.
I let your blood now come and fill you. Watch out, man. You not me stop talking, you know. I'll kill your blood clot, boy. I'm going to put it come to me to blood clot, you know. Did me like me provoke me? You see him at... Go on, man. You see that me tell you tell you.
Yo! You see bread in there? You put bread in there? Man. I was always a good kid growing up. Me never have them a problem. Whatever I wanted, I could get. And me always ask, and I said, please. You see me? But other kids, them cousins, and them rude, them bad. So me always get anything me want. But remember them days, man. Don't touch this. Don't touch that. Alright, I last video this a grandpa. Me tell you it's a short and sweet one tonight again.
You think I'm laughing business, you know? That's you want. That's you want. That's you want.
Brother. Remember them days that when you get one, don't touch your syrup, don't touch your bread, don't touch this, don't touch that. Don't touch it if you don't do your chores. And if you touch it, you know, see some hard slap you get. And that with grandpa. Yeah. And then stop perplex grandpa, peace. Leave grandpa alone, man. The man can't cuss. The man dark. Look out I do at midnight. I am that. Anyways, it's a short, little sweet, little video. I hope you like it. If you don't like it, just leave, just like it, yeah. And then leave a comment in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't. And click the notification bell so you can be notified of more fun videos and come back and watch some more videos. And like some more videos. And leave a comment in the comment section. And as always, stay safe. God bless.
Me no sick, me no blind, me no crippled. Okay? So when people are big, is when them blind, you're supposed to give sympathy. Right? You're not sick, you're not blind, you're not crippled, nothing no do you. How you mean you walk around and lean upon other people? What happened to you? Hold on. You can't take up people around you where come to look money. Eh? And when you want money, and all him a do, and money him after. He not really come to build you know. And come to help you to make you have money then. Right? Rascal. He make you look like you no want no money, brother. So anytime you see them in a desperation and a suffer, you see, do it not make sense about these people. Because all him a come to do to get help. Him not come to help you. And if you ever did it with him and believe you ain't come to help, you see? I man, them where you see, don't lend money and then don't give away money. Yeah? And them man that you see money stay with him, no smoke, him no gamble, him no whore. Yeah? Yes, sir. Man, them where you see a drink liquor and a smoke and some of them gamble and
Money nasty.
Money nasty with him. To rascal. Why, one spell, them under. Yes, that me I tell you now.